Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is over our pattern Tae-Kwon Hyung. In this tutorial, we're going to be working with the first merit of a good pattern, which is proper technique. Everything that I'm doing as correctly as I possibly can. Now, much of proper technique comes from, number one, knowing what the technique is, being sure in your own mind that you know what you're doing. And secondly, starting it in the correct place, chambering the technique correctly. For example, if I'm doing a high block, I'm starting with my blocking arm here in at my hip, my retraction arm here out in front of my shoulders. Then the block comes across, up and through, and finishes just where it ought to. That I'm not just hooking the block up and over my head. I'm not getting sloppy with it. A lot of that is simply starting in the correct place, taking that extra moment to set your hands properly. Now, sometimes one technique will put us in perfect position for the follow-on technique. We don't need to adjust into some kind of special chamber position. For example, after I've done a lunge punch, I don't need to readjust at all to do a reverse punch. I'm in exactly the position I need to be to follow on with that second technique. So as we go through Tae-Kwon Hyung in this tutorial, I'm going to say ready when we need to chamber for a new technique. And sometimes we will simply move into the next technique when, again, we don't need to do that special chamber. And we'll do this by the count together. So just follow along with me. We'll be going relatively slowly with this, even though we're not naming these skills now, just to make sure we can get those chamber positions when we need to. Let's go ahead and begin. 준비. All right, Tae-Kwon Hyung, proper technique, my count. Ready. 1, ready. 2, 3, ready. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ready. 9, ready. 1, ready. 2, 3, ready. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ready. 9, ready. 1, ready. 2, 3, ready. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ready. 9, ready. 1, ready. 2, 3, ready. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ready. 9, ready. 1, ready. 2, ready. 3, ready. 5, 6, 7, 8, ready, 9, ready, 1, ready, 2, ready, 3, ready, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ready, 9, ready, 1, ready, 2, 3, ready, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ready, 9, ready, 1, ready, 2, 3, ready, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ready, 9. Back to ready. Sure you. Good night. That is Tae-Kwon Hyung working with the first merit of a good pattern, proper